This is the Disney Wonder Ship, and it is a deluxe ocean view veranda. No, I take that back. There's no veranda. It's just a deluxe ocean view room. When you come in, the first door is a restroom, and it has a toilet and a sink. It has some little shelves there and towels. And your sink, and there's also a blow dryer. And then when you go to the next door, which the two bathrooms are separated, you have your shower, which has a full tub. Well, it's probably not quite as large as like a house tub, but it's good size, especially if you have a little child to put in there. Have some soap, and then there is the sink and some amenities, which are the Disney Cruise Line Spa H2O products and more towels. Then we have the closet, and it has a safe. There's actually two sections here. You can hang clothes on that side, and then there's a full closet. Of course, your life jackets. All your information for your muster stations are on your door. And there's a little compartment here that has some drawers, quite a few. There's all the way down glasses. And a cute picture. There's a door to an adjoining room, which we do not have available. And here's, I believe these are queen size beds. They may be fulls, but I'm pretty for sure they're queen size. And there's my little welcome back gift for coming Disney Cruise Line again. And they have a full-size mirror on the wall. And there is another picture in a set of drawers. There's actually one drawer. No, there's two drawers. And then this is two more shelves to put clothes on, or clothes in, or whatever you want to do with it.
However, your participation is very important,
TV.
and we need your help and cooperation.
And there's another cabinet here
to ensure that your voyage is as safe as possible.
Shelves.
You'll find life jackets for each member of your party on the top shelf
mirror.
of your stateroom closet.
And
The
a little
vests
stool to
come
sit
in
on,
sizes for
a
adults,
desk
children, and infants.
with lots
if you
of
find you're in need of a different size than what is provided, please see your stateroom host or hostess.
storage.
Safety information
And our
placard
waters.
posted on the back of your
And then we
stateroom
had a
door
porthole
details
in
about
this
emergency
cruise. We did not do a
procedures,
balcony
including
this time.
primary and secondary routes to your assembly station. Information on how to
And
follow
it has a
low-level
sofa
lighting
bed,
during an
or sofa that
emergency.
turns into a bed,
Put on your life
with a
jackets.
table.
Please locate and try on the life jackets
So it will be a
prior to the
nice little
emergency drill,
cozy
and then restore back as you found them.
little
Your
area
stateroom
for
host
us
or
for this
hostess
weekend.
is available to assist
And there's a